What's up, guys? I'm Dane.
I'm Ralph.
And today we're in Kamogawa. We're heading up to the Kamogawa Observatory, which is this lady statue. We got the new GoPro 9 with the max lens mod on, which Ralph is super excited about, aren't you, buddy? Yeah? Everything. So we're going to take you on a little spin and play with a few of the GoPro features. All right, guys, let's get it on. Okay guys, so we've just arrived at the car park. Let's go around here. Should find that Mr. Ralph. There he is. Awesome stuff. Did we lock the car? Ralph's got my phone. Good stuff. So we are going to go and have a look at the map and see whereabouts we are. Let's go have a look. All right. Okay, there's an awesome map over here. Check it out. I'm going to just turn this thing around and show you. Let's have a look here. There we go. Kamogawa City Area Guide. Right, here's some of the fun things in Kamogawa. Boat trips, SeaWorld. What's that one, Ralph?
Flower garden.
Flower garden. Don't know what that one is. Bit tricky. Okie dokie. So anyway, this is Kamogawa in here, and we're somewhere up on one of these mountains. Not sure where. Anyway. Toilet block. Look, that's where we're headed, right up there to that lady. Awesome stuff. All right. Holy mollies. Japanese telephone box. Check it out. You kidding me? You know what one of these are? Oh my word. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Have you seen one of those before, Ralph? Epic. Right. Okay, guys. So we're going to climb up to the top of the hill and take from there. All right, guys, so we made it to the top of those stairs, crazy, and we've come across this sign here. Now, I speak English, can't read Japanese, and Ralph speaks Japanese and reads Japanese, which is good news for us. So I'm going to tell you what I think it says in English. So I think it basically means that it is a lady statue, and this place is a point of significance because you can look out afar and see flocks of fish coming to Japan, or looking down and seeing all the fish. That's what I think it means, and Ralph's going to tell us what it means in Japanese. 日本語は何?
魚見塚展望台で近いのか、昔漁師たちが沖合から来た魚の群れたちを見張っていたから魚見塚って名前になって、この銅像、この女の人の銅像は長谷川さんが作った仏の化身で大人、昔暁の潮風を受けていることから暁風と命名されているそうです。
Awesome. So in English and Japanese, kind of the same. Ralph was also talking about a few people in there, like a local wood carver and stuff like that. I think he had something to do with the statue. Anyway, should we go take a look at it? Let's rock and roll. So head up the stairs with you folks. Let's go. This is what we're going. Woohoo! I reckon there's going to be a pretty epic view at the top of this. Damn, it's pretty big. You reckon it's big, Ralph? Wow. Nice blue base. Oh, hey. Look at that. Awesome. Oh, hey. Oh, wow, guys. Check this out. Woo. More stairs. Here we go. Oh, more and more stairs. Right. Here we go. Whoa. What is that? Check that out. Just thousands of locks. I think people come up here to, what does that say, Ralph? Lock for love?
Yes.
Yeah, so if you fall in love, you come and put a padlock on up here. Backside views. Amazing. Wow. Oh, and there she is. Look at this. How cool is this? Right. At the very top. Phew, these views are insane. Wow, here we go, Ralphie. That up there is the lady. How cool is that? Oh, getting vertigo. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is very cool. And guys, check out the view. That is just epic. Wow. If you guys are ever in Kamogawa, make sure you pop along here and check it out, because it is awesome. So Ralph, do you know anything about Kamogawa?
No.
No? I do. Okay, so Kamogawa is pretty famous for that bit down there, just there. That's a very, very epic surf beach. And what we've got is basically down this end, down the south end, we've got what's it called? Kamogawa Seaside. That's this end, okay, and it's nicely tucked in from the south. Then up in the middle, we've got SeaWorld, or Sea Paradise, SeaWorld, which is the same as the one in America. And then right down the very end, where that big tower block is what's it called, Ralph?
Maruki.
Maruki. That's it, Maruki. And Maruki picks up those south swells. And there's a place of many surf competitions in Japan, actually, which is kind of cool. Not much swell out there today, but it does look pretty. Down here, that little bay down there, I'm not sure what that one is, but I'd like to bring the boat round there, wouldn't you? Yeah? Looks pretty cool to have the boat in there. And then round over there, you've got another beach, which is gorgeous. All right, guys, and we are back, and we're going to go off and discover what this sort of thing is as we walk around the back of this amazing little place. Going to go underneath, have a look under. Oh, this is all underneath the statue, which is pretty cool. A little box over here. No, someone's little books and belongings. Having a look down the bottom. Oh, there's a little path. Check it out. Oh, a hidden path, eh, Ralph? Let's go see what's in the hidden path. Let's go have a look. Well, hey, here we go. Oh, little Japanese little shrine there. Kind of cool. Something down here. 80 meters. There we go. 80 meters to go. There it is. Go for 80 meters. What does the little flags there say about? Hatsumo.
Hatsumode.
What's Hatsumo?
ファーストイヤー2021のだからウィッシュできるよって。
Ah, season of making wishes. Ah, because we're.
初詣イヤーのファーストウィッシュ。
Ah, this is where you can come to make your first wish of the year. So they're basically getting ready for that New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, right?
No.
So after midnight.
1月1日.
Okay, yeah. So the first day of the new year, everyone in Japan runs out to make a wish somewhere, and this is one of the lucky places to do that. So very pretty, isn't it? Yeah. Pretty easy stuff to walk down here. Definitely a nice place to take a stroll. It's kind of where I need a dog, don't we, Ralph? Little puppy dog, take for a walk would be nice. So we're coming along across something here. Okay, so I think this is the end of the road. Wow. Having a look here. Okay. Looks like this is the looks like this is the temple. Or is it a temple or a shrine, Ralph?
Jinja.
A jinja. It's a temple. Yeah? Or a shrine. I think it's a temple. Oh yeah, that. Here we go, guys. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Check it out. That is awesome, isn't it, Ralph? What do you think of that, buddy? Pretty cool. Oh, on the back? Whoa, look at that view through there. Wow. That is very cool, isn't it? Wow. So guys, this is a beautiful little track through the forest. Holy mollies. Wow, this in the middle of summer will be warm, but some pretty stunning views. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So this is obviously the path where people walk up from the town down below there, and they walk up that path to the mountaintop temple. So let's give you a look as if we were going to go and visit the temple. Here we go. So this is basically where we make a donation, we make our wish, and a lot of people will be coming on the 1st of January to make their wish. Cool, so let's make a wish, Ralph. All right?
Mite, this one, Japanese temple.
Yep.
This one.
This one?
How do you wish?
Oh, so how do you wish, Ralph? How do we wish? What does it say?
Have to read this one, boys.
Yep. Okay, folks. So that was the temple, and we're going to head back up to the car. So we'll see you back there in a minute. All right, guys, we are back in the car park. That was an awesome quick look at what we call the Lady on the Hill.
Uomizuka.
Uomizuka in Japanese. Do you reckon it's worth coming and taking a look at, Ralph? Yeah, so if you're in the Kamogawa area, make sure you come up and take a look at it. It's totally free of charge. The views are spectacular. Remember, also, if you enjoyed our video, please click the subscribe button and leave a few comments. Ralph's going to say that in Japanese.
もしよかったら、チャンネル登録、高評価お願いします。
And we will see you next time on the Splash Guest House YouTube channel. Chew!